What's up, fellow drinkers? Brooks Powell here, CEO of Cheers, announcing today that we are launching Smart January, which is a little like Dry January, except for we're not cutting out alcohol completely and instead are focusing on smarter, healthier liver habits. So each day for the next 30 days, we're going to give you a tip on how to boost your liver health. And today, January 1st, day one, we are starting with something super simple and super easy, and that's drinking coffee. A lot of people say things like, my goal is to decrease my coffee consumption in the new year. But that's a terrible goal, because time and time again, coffee has been shown to be good for your health. In fact, coffee is the #1 source of antioxidants in the American diet. In a 2015 study reviewing all the literature on coffee's effects on liver health, it was shown that drinking coffee improved liver function tests, decreased the development of fatty liver disease, and even reduced liver stiffness and scarring. A few tips when it comes to drinking coffee for liver health. Any beans are fine, but it must be filtered coffee with no sugar. The no sugar part is really important because it's been shown that if you add sugar to your coffee, it negates the beneficial liver effects that it has on your liver. You can add a little cream if you want to. An espresso should also be fine, as long as you don't add any sugar. So how many cups per day for liver health? Well, you should try to get 3 cups. 3 to 5 cups may be even better, but 6 cups is probably too much. Your goal is to stay a little less than 400 milligrams of caffeine every day. So that's the good news on day one of Smart January. Enjoy that cup of joe. It not only tastes good and gives you energy, but it's good for your liver health as well. Cheers.